Flight 30, get ready for takeoff. Would you like to make $30 per hour? I'm going to show you proof of how you can do that. This is an amazing opportunity. Look at this, $10, $10. All you have to do is test apps and websites. You're going to absolutely love this opportunity. Would you like to make $30 an hour testing websites and apps? I absolutely have done so many of these opportunities before, and all you have to do, you have to have basic English knowledge, be able to speak as you're surfing and going through the app. You actually tell the app developers what you like and what you don't like. That is it. If you want to look at 4 websites today that will pay you for user testing, you can make up to $30 an hour, which each of these companies, you're not going to want to miss this opportunity. What you need to do is go to www.
We actually broke 100 subscribers.
You're like, you sell some stuff.
Build the income, get to affiliate marketing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ryan. On this channel, we teach people how they can make money from home. So if that is of interest to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you'll be able to get all of our future videos. So on this video, I'm going to show you 4 websites that will pay you up to $30 per hour for user testing. Now you might ask yourself, what is user testing? I've never done it before. It's not that hard, guys. It is not that hard. We're going to jump straight into this opportunity, but before we do that, I would ask you to watch this whole entire video because you're going to go through all 4 websites. I'm going to show you the sign up processes. I'm going to show you how much you can make on several of the websites. And in addition to that, you're going to want all 4 of these opportunities because whenever you are doing user testing, the opportunities just don't come around all that often. So what you need to do is you need to sign up to multiple businesses that actually do these products. That way you can continue to get some to your email inbox on an almost daily basis. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer and we're going to dive into this opportunity. All right, guys, we're going to dive into the computer. I'm going to show you this opportunity. You're going to absolutely love these 4 sites. What you need to do is just take a few minutes. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes on each website to actually sign up, and you'll start getting these testings straight to your email inbox. It's absolutely amazing. You're going to absolutely love it. Stick around through this whole entire video. I promise you're going to get so much information. Use this opportunity to make yourself some money on a monthly basis. All right, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, so on this website, you can earn up to $60 per test. Now what you do is you actually visit the website or app, you complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and that is it, you get paid. Now there's a couple things that you can do to actually benefit you during this process, because if you are a good product tester, I mean good as you really speak your thoughts about the website, you share some things that you like about the website and you also share some things that you don't like about the website or app, they are going to use you a whole lot more than other people. So make sure that you do enough research, watch enough videos about user testing, do these testings to your full potential. You want to actually know what you're talking about whenever you're actually looking at these websites, and you want to actually do your best for the company. They're wanting to pay people for user testing, but they actually want great testers, okay? How it works is you're going to get $10 via PayPal every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites and apps to complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts out loud. So what's all this buzz about? So this website is actually featured in many different newspapers and companies. This was featured in the New York Times, Huffington Post, Lifehacker, Wall Street Journal. More than 3 million tests have been taken by users for companies like Apple, Microsoft, eBay, Dropbox, Yahoo, Facebook. I mean, you name it, there is so many companies that use this website. What do you need to actually get started? Well, you need a PC or Mac, you need an internet connection, and you need a microphone. That is absolutely it. Yeah, it says iPhone, iPad, Android, or Android tablet. So they want testing done on a tablet and also websites. How much money can I make? Well, user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side. It won't make you rich. The number of opportunities you'll receive will depend upon a number of factors, such as your demographics and your quality rating. So your quality rating is what is so important. That's why I'm telling you to really focus. Do these opportunities. Okay, it's a great opportunity to make yourself extra money. That's why I'm going to give you additional 3 sites on top of this one. You know, just work on your skills. Okay, watch some videos of people doing user testing and just practice. The more quality rating that you have, the more opportunity that you're going to be able to get a bunch more to your email inbox, okay? So how do you get paid? We pay our testers via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account and live in the country that you can receive the PayPal money transfers. Now they actually pay multiple different countries. This ain't just in the US and UK and Canada. We are accepting testers from the following countries: Africa, Middle East, India, Asia, Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and the Caribbean, the United States, and Canada. So it's very cool. I know a lot of people on our channel signing up is not only from the US, but they're from countries all around the world. That's why we try to do a lot of these opportunities that are either worldwide or they incorporate multiple different countries. This website is going to be usertesting.com. Usertesting.com. This company actually started in 2007, and I'm going to show you some of the people that actually work for this company. The founder here, Daryl Benneter, executive chairman and co-founder, started user testing in 2007, so they've been around for 12 years. Right here's your chief executive officer, Andy McMillan. He brings about 20 years of experience. They really have quality people running this business. You can actually kind of read a short resume of each person that's a part of this company. So your chief financial officer, chief technology officer, chief revenue officer, marketing officer, chief customer officer, chief corporate strategy officers. A really great looking group. So you can bet that they're probably going to be around a long time. They probably have a staff on, you know, that is working on calls, getting new companies to come on board, testing websites and apps. So this company is probably going to be around. I mean, a lot of companies that has this quality of a team put together, they normally know what they're doing in business, and you can probably expect to you know, get your money on time and everything like that. So this usertesting.com has been around since 2007. It's very well known. It's a great website. Just go ahead and click login and actually go through the sign up process and start getting these user testing interface jobs to your email inbox. So let's go on to number 2. But before we go on to number 2, hit that thumbs up for us. It'll really help the video out. We're going to be giving you 3 more additional sites to actually show you how you can get user testings to your email inbox. So go ahead and hit that like button for us. We'd really appreciate it. And let's go on to number 2. So number 2 is going to be userfeel.com. All right, so they also pay you $10 per test for each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So I mean, it can be up to $60 per hour. Now on the minimum, if you're taking the full 20 minutes, you're going to earn $10. You know, 20 minutes times 3 to get to the 60 minutes for the hour. That is $30 per hour. So a lot of people don't even make that drive into a job. So it's a really amazing opportunity. Now, the thing with that is that's the reason why we're giving you 4 websites to do this with, is because you want to have as many job opportunities coming to your email inbox as possible. So it's pretty much the same. This website is pretty much the same. They're going to pay you $10 per test. Okay, so go to userfeel.com, click login, and fill it out. So right now we've gave 2 websites so far. So we're going to go on to number 3. Okay, number 3, you'll need to go to panel.whatusersdo.com. panel.whatusersdo.com/become a tester. So, all right, so with this, you sign up. What users do? Why become a tester? Because you're going to receive extra cash in your pocket each and every month. Have fun reviewing new and exciting websites as well as some household names. Help improve the quality of the internet. Take part in the quarterly competitions and offers. How does it work? You're going to receive an invitation via email whenever a test is available. Get paid via PayPal on the 25th of each month. So what users do is going to pay you one time each and every month on the 25th. All right, some of these other sites that I'm showing you, it will pay you on a weekly basis. All right, so take between 3 to 5 tests per month. Okay, the better that you complete the tasks requested, the more tests will be offered. That's why I'm telling you, work on your skills. Watch some videos of user testing. That way you actually know specifically what you need to do as you test and what you need to actually say as you're reviewing and your thought process around it. So the better you are at that, the more that they're actually going to offer you. All right, here's some reviews from people that has actually used what users do to actually be a tester. So that's pretty much it on this one. So this is going to be number 3. So just go ahead and go on down here, become a tester and fill out this information. We're going to move on to number 4. So here's number 4. It's going to be enrollout.com. Signed up for this, so you can see my name up here. So just go to enrollout.com and actually sign up for the process. It only takes about 4 or 5 minutes, and then you'll start. This was actually a new app for me. Never heard of this one before. I've done user testing going back so far. I have done this. I actually enjoy doing it. It's a fun thing to do. And just go through all the sign up processes and you will start getting jobs to your inbox, okay? Alright guys, that's going to be the 4 websites on where you can actually go to do user testing. Just go to the login page, create your account, and start getting those testing jobs to your inbox. You're going to absolutely love it. It's a really fun thing to do. Now, if you'd like to make more money than what these websites and apps that Sam and I actually show you, then just go down to the description and check out our number 1 business opportunity. We absolutely love this company. Now, a lot of people, whenever they get started, they don't know a whole lot about marketing, training, how to get their information out there correctly. So that's what this is gonna help you do. If you don't know a whole lot about internet marketing, if you don't know a whole lot about lead generation, if you don't know a lot about anything with the internet, then this opportunity is gonna be a great fit for you because it's going to show you all of that stuff. So if you are interested in that, to generate a passive income, that way you can earn money while you sleep, you can earn money while you go on vacation, you can earn money while you're doing whatever. You're going to earn money all the time, okay? That's what passive income is. You do the work one time and it stays evergreen. Check out that link down in the description. If you're interested, just watch the video, and if you get started, great. We'll see you on the team. We look forward to having you. If you just want a few extra dollars here and there, you're not looking for a lifestyle type change, these websites and apps that we show you are absolutely genuine, and they will help you make a little extra cash on a monthly basis. So that's pretty much going to be it on this video. We really hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a like. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and do that and hit that bell notification. That way you'll be able to get all of our future videos. And I hope you have a great day, great week, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.